Hi, are you struggling in answering your homeworks? Don't worry, we have an online learning platform that connects you to our qualified expert tutors. Post a question on any subjects and receive a step-by-step explanation in less than 40 minutes from any web browser or using the iOS and Android mobile app. Now, I'm going to walk you through on how to use Homework Help. To start this, go to our website at www.zookle.com. Click on Login found at the top right corner of your screen. Input your email address and your password. If you don't remember your password, just click this link below and you will receive a reset password email from us. Once you're logged in, you can see on the left side of your dashboard all the features included in your Zookle Study account. And click on Homework Help. You can be able to see here the number of question credits you have left and start asking your question. Select the subject, the topic, and type in your question or paste it. Scroll down and click on Post Question. Alright, your question has been posted. You can also edit it if you wanted some changes on your question. And wait for a tutor to answer your posted question in less than 40 minutes. I hope that after watching this video, you already know how to use Homework Help. Thank you for watching!